Thank you. Mabuhay and welcome back to another unboxing video. And as you can see, we're shooting this in the time of COVID, highlighted by the fact that I'm wearing a mask. But now that I've sent my driver away to do other things, I can remove it for the benefit of all of you so you can understand me better. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the GAC GM8 320T, and we're gonna see what it's all about. On the looks department, there's not really much to say. But that being said, it's quite a handsome looking van. It's very sleek, it's very modern, it looks very luxurious, which is what it's supposed to be. But this being a luxury van, all the goodies are inside. And I usually don't go to the second row during these unboxing videos, but in this case, I have to. Let me show you why. As you can see, this is where the GM8 makes its case. You've got a very luxurious second row, which are highlighted by these two captain seats, which you have settings to turn into a lazy boy. You've got a seat massager, seat heater, and most importantly, in our very hot climate, seat coolers. You've also got this nice panoramic sunroof that you can control over here, along with the temperature of the air conditioning, as well as mood light. According to GAC, this car has the capability to show you 32 different colors, more than your standard box of crayons. Of course, this still being AutoIndustriya.com, we can't just talk about the passengers. We also have to find out what the driver feels up front. So let's ask him. Kelvin, what's it like up front?
Pardon?
What's it like up front?
Come again?
Forgive us. He's new. I'll do it. As you can see, the luxury from the back is continued up to the front, which is not usually the case in some other vans. Here, you get an ergonomic setup. You've got the gear lever here, you've got leather, soft touch panels, and wooden accents. But the best thing about it is you have the settings for everything, for the front and the back. You've got a sunroof. You have your own sunroof, by the way. And you've got settings for the sunroof in the back. You've got settings for the lights. You can close the doors, and you know, for me, that's a big deal in a van because as a driver, sometimes you tend to feel left out. In this case, you don't feel left out at all. Overall, the GM8 is a very good van. It does everything that it's supposed to do. It's very luxuriously appointed, it's very comfortable, and you've got everything you could possibly want in a car in it. And if you want to know what it feels like to drive, stay tuned to AutoIndustriya.com because Anton Andres will be reviewing it in a full video review. That's it for me. But if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below. And please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantan of Auto Industria. Paalam!